Okay, let me start. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's nice being with us this evening. Today is the first day of the 12th month of December 2023. So, first and foremost, I want to quickly talk about the crypto bull run. I don't know whether some of us here today must have been hearing about crypto bull run, crypto bull run. A lot of us might just started investing and trading in crypto, and some of people might have been in crypto before now. But the bull run or the bullish season is a season that comes when most of the cryptocurrency in the market will begin to go very high in price. We begin to go very high in price, and the bullish season, I can say, is the harvest season. Just like in farming, you don't harvest when you don't plant when all the farmers are already harvesting. The bullish season is like the harvest time, when farmers that have planted their products, their their seeds. So is this King's Court, right? No, no, no. This is not King's Court. No, 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 no. That they have already planted their crops maybe 12 months ago, 2 years ago, then that's the time they begin to reap. So during the bullish season is not the time that you need to be planting. It's a wrong time to plant. This is the time to plant. And now from this chart, what always kickstarts the bullish season is after halving of Bitcoin. What is halving in Bitcoin? Halving in Bitcoin is an event that happens every 4 years. Every 4 years. It's a situation whereby those that are called miners on the Bitcoin network, on the Bitcoin blockchain, where their reward that they give to them is going to be half. That means, let's say they are collecting about 50 Bitcoin before for every mining they do. Anytime they validate a transaction on the network, so the reward they give to them is when it is half. There's a particular time, particular day, every 4 years that this happens. And it has been shown that anytime there's an halving, the reward that is being given to these miners, it is not immediately that the market will begin to go up. It's not immediately that the coins will begin to go up in price. It might take maybe like 6 months later, 1 year later, or 1 year plus later, before the price of the coins in the market begin to go up. Now, this is a chart. This is a chart when Bitcoin first started. The first time Bitcoin underwent halving was in 20 Bitcoin started in 2008, and then 4 years later Bitcoin was halved. Bitcoin went through halving 4 years later. How are you? 4 years later, we can see that after the halving in 2012, 1 year later, as at 2022, when the halving was done, the price of Bitcoin was $12.35. But 1 year later, in 2014, you can see that the price skyrocketed and spiked to $1,163. Imagine anybody that bought Bitcoin when it was $12. You can imagine how much profit they'll be making now, as at 2014, about 2 years later. Now, in 2020, in 2012, another halving was done. I think the first halving was 2012. Then in 2014, the price now went up. Then after 4 years later, another halving was done, which are you seeing the second Bitcoin halving was done in 2016. The price came down from 1,163 and came down to 638. So when another halving was done in 2016. About 1 year later, no, 2 years later, you can see in 2018, that was when Bitcoin now went to another very high price. From 1,163, it went to 19. That's very massive. That's very high. So again, after 2016, 4 years later, another halving was done. That was 2020. From 2018 to 2020, the price went down from 19,793 to 8,170. Now, after the halving again in 2020, the price of Bitcoin in 2021, that was when I started entering Bitcoin, crypto. You can ask that the price now moved from 19,783 to very high all-time high of 69,000. So we can see how the price of Bitcoin has always been going up anytime there is an halving. So first and foremost, I want to also give us a disclaimer that it is not a guarantee that anything I'm saying here that Bitcoin might go higher than 69,000 after the halving next year. After the halving the halving is coming up next year, April. So the best time to prepare for the bull run, for the bullish market, is now when the price is cheaper. There was a time that Bitcoin even crashed to like 15,000, where people were scared that the market is going down, not knowing that Bitcoin was undergoing correction. If you check over the years, Bitcoin will always go down, then later it will come high. So if you want to engage in the Bitcoin halving, if you want to prepare for it, you need to have about 2 years or 1.5 years patience for any investment you do in any coin that you buy now. You need to be patient for you to accumulate those, just buy the coins down. So let me just give an example of some coins that you can buy down. Now, if I go to my trading view, on my trading view, you will see some coins that you can buy. So let me go to top 10 coins. For me, I would suggest that anytime you want to buy any coin, make sure you focus on the top 20 coins and look for those ones that are very cheap. Like all these coins, like like Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu, like TRX, any coin that is less than $1, so that you'll be able to buy more quantity of those coins, like ADA, like Inch. Let me go down. Like Kava, I have already marked Kava. Any coin that is less than $1, so that you can. So now the beauty of preparing for the bull run is look for coins that are very, very cheap now, so that you buy more quantity of those coins with small amount of money. So how will we know that this coin has already have an all-time high before? So let me just enter one of these coins. Let me enter like XLM. I'll just pick 2 coins. Let's go to XLM. So I will now change. I will change the chart from 4 hours. I will change it towards this price this coin has reached before. So it's loading. Okay, this is 30 minutes. Let me go to 1 month. It is one month. 1 month. Okay, I think it's not showing 1 month. Let me look for 1 month. Okay, I think I've taken 1 month. Coming. I need to favorite the coming so that we will see what price has this coin reached before. What price has this coin reached before? Okay, this is 1 month. I think I've spent this 1 month. This 1 month. So that I can be able to project that what price can this coin reach. You'll be able to get the highest price that this coin has reached before. So can I see that this coin, the all-time high of this coin is, we can see it here. The all-time high of this coin is 0.7895. 0.07985. So if I want to check the time this coin reached that price, I will go here. I'll click the vertical line. That was in May 2021. That was in May 2021. And that's the actual time that we had the effect of the bull run when most of the coins in the market went very, very high in price. So that means if you want to buy this coin, and you can see that the coin now is cheaper now, is 0. What's the value of the coin now? You can see that the value of the coin now is 0.1538. So that means if you buy this coin now, let's say you buy this coin for $200, you buy it down, you're ready to wait for a long time, 1.538. That means you'll be able to get 1,300 units of this coin. So if this coin goes back to the all-time high, you can see that what you bought for $200 will have increased to $59. Now let's look for another coin. So you have to look for coin that have the highest all-time high. And when the coin now want to get another all-time high, the price might go beyond 0.7985. Please give me some time, please. I'm coming back. Give me like 5 minutes. So sorry for that. Let me continue. I may have to end this call very soon, maybe in the next 15 minutes or less. Maybe you might need to postpone the meeting. So I think I've already given us an idea of how you can identify. I'll just put some of those coins in the group, some coin that you can decide to buy and hold for a long time. And if you want to buy and hold a coin for a long time, the moment you buy them, maybe on Binance or any exchange, you can just send them to a trust wallet, your trust wallet. Don't keep your money on centralized exchange. You can send it to trust wallets and keep it there. and find a way to write, make sure you write the secret phrase of this your trust wallet, so that in case you lose your phone, anything happens, you'll be able to recover your funds, and find a way to just keep it for a long time. Because I must tell you that the bull run is going to be very, very massive. The next bull run, I remember my uncle, when he invested in Shiba Inu. He invested in Shiba Inu, I think in 2020, prior before the bull run started. He spent only $50 to buy Shiba Inu. He spent $50 to buy Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was very, very cheap that time. Was very, very cheap. And that Shiba Inu that he bought for $50 in 2020, after 1 year, 3 months later, that Shiba Inu gave him over $150,000. $150,000. He spent only $50 to buy Shiba Inu. That time Shiba Inu was having a long zero, I think like 80. So he bought a lot of quantities of those coins. So one of the things that you need to focus on when you want to prepare for the bull run is to make sure you look for coins that are very, very cheap, especially coins that have long, long zeros. Like have so many zeros that you'll be able to accumulate much of those coins. Now, when this coin begin to grow and begin to move up in value, and it begin to reduce the zero, that's how you see people make massive fortune in when they prepare for the bull run. Now, let me quickly go to how you can now use Royal Q let me go quickly to show you how you can use Royal Q to prepare for the bull run. Let me quickly show how you can use the Royal Q. Now, on Royal Q, one of the first two coins that is predominant in the crypto market is the Bitcoin and Ethereum. Anytime Bitcoin is moving up in value, I'm coming, sorry about that. Anytime Bitcoin, if you are conversant with how Bitcoin moves, anytime Bitcoin moves up in value like this, Ethereum must follow. Anytime Bitcoin comes down, Ethereum will come down. So one of the ways you can also prepare for bull run is you can use a Royal Q to accumulate Bitcoin, because it has been projected that Bitcoin might reach like $100,000 or above. And then anytime you see Bitcoin coming down, it's an opportunity for you to accumulate more of Bitcoin. That's why a lot of people are accumulating Bitcoin. That's why I sent it in a group, in our group recently, a company that bought over $428 million worth of Bitcoin. They acquired 16,000 plus of Bitcoin. What are they doing? They are preparing for the bull run. So there's a way you can use Royal Q to be accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mostly we use the USDT pair here to only trade this place. Sorry, use only this place. We only use this place to trade. But this place and this place, you can use it to trade Royal Q. You can put on cycle. You see some of the pairs. Are you seeing it? You can see that Bitcoin is paired with ADA, with BNB. BNB is another coin that you can also accumulate very well. BNB, Link, LTC. So you can use Royal Q to accumulate coins for the bull run. So what you can do is that you can just make sure you open another exchange, connect another exchange like maybe HTX or OKX or Bybit. That one will be separate for your long-term investment with Royal Q. Royal Q will not be able to be buying and selling. So while you are waiting for the long term, will be accumulating Bitcoin between 1 year, 2 years time, so that you be disciplined by using Royal Q to do that. Now, let me just use this remaining minutes, because I will not be too long in this call, because I'm about to enter our bus. I'm going to our hotel. So I really want to apologize for the way I'm rushing. So I don't know whether there's any people with us today. I think I'm seeing someone that's very new. So let me just quickly talk about RoyalQ. RoyalQ is a tool that we use to trade on the crypto markets. RoyalQ is a tool that we use to trade on the crypto market without putting your money, giving your money to any company. You are not giving your money to any exchange. Your money is in your RoyalQ. Your money is in your exchange. You only just connect the RoyalQ bot. You only connect the RoyalQ bot to your exchange to be buying and selling for you. Buying and selling for you. So you connect the RoyalQ with Binance, with API management, and we only engage in spot trading. But I think recently, RoyalQ is bringing new features on. I think if you want to trade on the futures markets, edge features where you can be doing long and short trade. But for now, we are not going to go there now because when I studied this afternoon, I discovered that RoyalQ is already giving all this disclaimer that in case there's a loss, they are not going to be liable for loss because you can actually lose your money when you are doing futures trading. But in RoyalQ, for almost 3 years that I've been doing it, we are only focusing on the spot trading. And what the bot does is that it buys low and sell high. It buys low and it sell high. And we use two types of strategy. We use cycle strategy, which is automatic. If you want the bot to be buying and selling for a long time. And this is one of the strategy that you can use for the pair with Bitcoin and Ethereum, where you want to be accumulating the coins over time for a long time, regardless whether the coins are in floating loss. And the other strategy that we use is one shot, where you just want the bot to buy at a particular price. When the coin goes higher than the value, then it will sell in profit for you and the trade will end. And we also use what we call gas fee, because anytime the bot wants to work, the bot needs gas to work. So there is no payment of salary to anyone because everything is done on your smartphone. RoyalQ is an opportunity where you use your smartphone to trade. So I want to stop here. I think we are able to learn something because I just want to give us a very short presentation. So if you have any question, now you can ask so that I can attend to us. If you have any question, you can ask.
Sorry, I joined little late. Regarding wallets, so if you just look at some reviews, there are so many times it's hacked trust wallet. So how we can secure trust wallet? So by just activating two-factor authentication, or is there any other protocols to follow?
Okay, this is one of the
Hello,
ways
sir.
you can secure. I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Are you hearing me?
Yeah. I can able to hear. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
One of the ways you can secure your trust wallet is
Your
by
voice now your voice is breaking, sir.
okay, I'm using hello.
Now little better.
Hello.
Yeah, now little better, sir.
Where's your presentation? Hello. One of the ways you can secure your trust wallet is by uh you write down your 12 secret recovery phrase. Write it down and don't reveal your secret phrase with anybody. Write it down in a book that nobody will see it, and you can also use PIN code to save it. Trust me does not use 2FA. Don't execute, so you can't execute.
We are getting some
I hope
background
you are
noise.
clear.
Your voice, no, your voice is not clear, sir. Still, we are getting some
Hello, what
disturbance.
about now? Are you hearing my voice now?
Uh, some little bit disparity
Okay,
is
don't worry.
there.
I will answer you. I will answer you in the group. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, another
And
question.
sir, so apart from Trust Wallet, there is another one more good wallet. I heard that EDO, something it starts ED. correct me if I'm wrong. There is one more good wallet to store
Yeah,
to secure
you
your.
can use MetaMask or SafePal.
Yeah, okay.
You can use MetaMask and SafePal.
Yeah.
I will send it to the group. Don't worry. I will send it to the
Okay,
group
sir.
for you, where you
Yeah.
can
Okay.
keep
Thank you.
your asset for long term, where it's going to be secure.
Yeah. I have another question. Let's say, suppose in during the bullish season, bull run, when bull run get going to start in Royal Q, suppose let's say Solana is there, so I can accommodate long term plan, right? Suppose if I just enter Solana trade, if I keep it Solana as per long term plan, so it will buy low and sell high, keep on, right? So I don't want to say withdraw my Solana capital in next 2 months or 8 months. That facility is there, right? Last time you mentioned that. So one person got from one trade 63%. So they accumulated for long term. Hope
Yes,
my
you can
question
do
is
that.
clear, sir.
Yes,
Should I
you
repeat?
can do that. You put it on
So
cycle.
last time in yeah in our group last time one
Mm.
person I remembered, they got 63% in one trade they accumulated for long term plan.
Yeah.
So during the bull run season we can leverage Royal Q for uh, uh, what I mean to say, we can store we can plan for long term, right?
Yes, you
That's
can
how.
do that.
So
Yes, you can do that. So that means you may be ready to
yeah,
be
thank
on
you.
that for maybe like 6 months or 3 months, 4 months. So you won't mind whether the coin is going down because you are holding for a long time. So while you are waiting, at least the bot will still be buying and selling and be trading it for you. Exactly.
Yeah, okay, got it, sir. So we have separate settings for that, right? For long term.
You said?
So we have, sorry, I asked maybe next session, coming Mondays. Okay. So
Okay,
you
do you know
carry
what
on,
we
sir.
do?
Uh,
Do you know what we do? I'm on transit now. Let us drop our questions in the group, then I'll answer so that I can end this call. So the network is bad there.
yeah, okay, sure.
So I really apologize for the inconvenience. I've recorded so that you can watch it again.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, so good night.
Yeah, good night.